In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a permanently deleted Instagram account step by step. Before we begin, a quick reality check. Instagram states that permanently deleted accounts usually can't be restored. However, if you believe there's been a mistake or if you need help with a disabled or inaccessible account, these official support paths can help you explain your situation and request a review. Start by opening a new tab in your web browser. Instead of going directly to the Instagram app or Instagram.com, head to your search engine and type Instagram Help Center. This gets you to Instagram's official support pages, which is where the contact options usually live. Click the result labeled Instagram Help Center. Once you're inside the Help Center, look toward the top right corner and tap the three lines to open the menu. From the list, choose Manage Your Account. It should be the second option. On the next screen, select Signing Up and Getting Started, which is the second option again. This path may seem indirect, but it reliably leads to the built-in feedback tools you can use to flag problems. When the page opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see a small prompt asking if the article was helpful. Tap No. When the follow-up choices appear, pick Other and then hit Select. You'll now get a small text box. Type a brief, clear message such as Help, I need to recover my Instagram account. Keep it concise and factual and avoid sharing any sensitive information like passwords or personal contact details. You're simply signaling that you need assistance and want a review. When you're done, tap Submit. This sends your feedback directly through Instagram's official channel. If you want an additional option, open another browser tab and search for Instagram Support Ticket. In the results, look for the page related to points of support and contact on Instagram and open it. Browse the available contact forms and support options shown there. Choose the form that best matches your situation, whether it's trouble accessing your account or a concern about a mistaken removal, and submit your request directly through Instagram. Follow the prompts on the form carefully and keep your description clear and professional. That's it. These steps give you the best chance to get your case in front of Instagram via their official tools. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.